Are you seeking to sharpen your eyesight naturally? Look no further. In this video, we'll delve into 11 incredible and effective drinks that can enhance and support your vision. Each drink offers unique advantages that can help keep your vision clear and protect against common eye problems. Get ready to sip your way to clearer vision and healthier eyes. Number 1. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot juice has become popular in recent years as a nutritional powerhouse due to its high concentration of dietary nitrates. Dietary nitrates are converted to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide serves as a vasodilator, meaning it helps widen and relax blood vessels, improving blood flow. Improved circulation in the eyes can reduce the risk of various eye disorders, such as age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts. In addition to nitric oxide, beetroot juice is rich in betalains, which are pigments that provide numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Betalains can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to vision problems and eye disease. Number 2. Carrot Juice. Our first eye-boosting drink on the list is a classic, carrot juice, which has long been associated with good eyesight, and for good reason. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a provitamin that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, particularly in low-light conditions. It plays a crucial role in the production of rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that allows the eyes to adjust to changes in light. By regularly consuming carrot juice, you can ensure an adequate supply of vitamin A, which supports proper eye function and may even help prevent night blindness. Carrots are also packed with other nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. Number 3. Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate juice is not only refreshing, but also rich in antioxidants that promote eye health. Pomegranates are packed with polyphenols, including flavonoids and tannins, which have been shown to exhibit strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Pomegranate juice is also a good source of vitamin C and E, which further contribute to the protection and nourishment of the eyes. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, which is important for the health of the blood vessels and tissues in the eyes, while vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals and reduces the risk of cellular damage. Enjoying a glass of tangy and vibrant pomegranate juice provides a delicious way to support your eye health. Before we proceed to the next surprising drink, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Orange Juice. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the eyes. Vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, a structural protein that supports the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye. Collagen is essential for maintaining the shape and integrity of the cornea, promoting optimal vision. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C help protect the eye's delicate tissues from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of cataracts and slowing the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Number 5. Spinach Smoothie. Next up, we have a green powerhouse, the Spinach Smoothie, which has long been known as a superfood due to its exceptional nutrient profile, and when blended into a smoothie, it becomes a flavorful and eye-healthy option. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that play a vital role in maintaining healthy vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are pigments found in the macula of the retina, where they act as natural filters against harmful blue light and help neutralize free radicals. These carotenoids not only protect the eyes from oxidative stress, but also support overall visual function, including enhancing contrast sensitivity and reducing the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. So, by adding spinach smoothies into your diet, you can boost your intake of these eye-protective nutrients and promote optimal eye health. Number 6. Blueberry Shake. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to promoting eye health. Packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, as well as anthocyanins, blueberries help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for the deep blue color of blueberries, have been found to improve visual acuity and reduce eye fatigue. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms associated with dry eyes and other inflammatory eye conditions. By blending blueberries into a delicious shake, you can easily incorporate these eye protective compounds into your diet and enjoy a refreshing and nutritious treat. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to various age-related diseases, including those affecting the eyes. Several studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may help reduce the risk of common eye diseases, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults, and cataracts are characterized by clouding of the eye's lens. The antioxidants in green tea, called catechins, have been shown to have protective effects against oxidative stress, inflammation, and damage to the retina and lens of the eye. Number 8. Tomato juice. Tomatoes pack a punch when it comes to eye-boosting nutrients. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant found in tomatoes, has been associated with a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Lycopene helps neutralize harmful free radicals and oxidative stress in the eyes, protecting the delicate ocular tissues from damage. Additionally, tomatoes are rich in other essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, both of which contribute to overall eye health. Vitamin A is necessary for maintaining clear vision, while vitamin C supports collagen production and enhances the immune system's ability to fight off eye infections. Enjoying a glass of tomato juice regularly can provide a tasty way to support your visual well-being. Number 9. Almond milk. Almond milk has gained popularity as an alternative to cow's milk, with numerous health benefits, including those related to eye health. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals can damage the cells in the eyes, leading to various eye diseases, including macular degeneration. Vitamin E may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts as it provides protection to the cells and tissues of the eyes. Additionally, almond milk is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is also necessary for nerve and muscle function, including visual signaling, allowing our eyes to communicate with our brains. Number 10. Apple juice. Apple juice is a classic and refreshing drink that not only tastes great, but also offers several benefits for eye health. Apples are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress and promote overall eye health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the cornea and other parts of the eye. It also enhances the absorption of iron, which is essential for delivering oxygen to the eyes. Additionally, the flavonoids in apples such as quercetin and camphorol have been linked to a reduced risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Drinking apple juice regularly can provide a tasty and convenient way to support your eye health. Number 11. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice is known for its medicinal properties and has gained popularity as a health drink. When it comes to eye health, Aloe Vera Juice offers numerous benefits. It contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin A is particularly important for good vision and helps prevent night blindness and dry eyes. Aloe Vera Juice also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which protect the eyes from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of eye diseases. Moreover, aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms of eye irritations and conditions such as conjunctivitis. Drinking aloe vera juice can provide hydration and nourishment for your eyes while supporting overall eye health. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.